What's up guys, this is Ved here again, and this is the third video in the series Jquery Mobile. And today we are going to learn about the Jquery theme roller. Actually, as I told you before, that there are only two data themes, A and B. A is for light and B is for dark. But if I want to use my custom colors for header, custom color for footers and all, so how can I do it? So for that you have to go to this URL, ThemeRoller.jquerymobile.com, and there is a pop-up. So let's get rolling. So you can create up to 26 data themes from letter A to Z. As you can see, a data theme A is this, data theme B is equal to this, data theme C is equal to this. So if you want to add another swatch, so for that you can click here, add swatch, and you can click here. So the next data swatch, which is D, will be added. So let's work with it. Let me delete it. We are going to work with only 3. So we have A, B and C, and there is the color panel. From there you can choose color, and if you don't like any color from this panel, you can use the Adobe Cooler. Okay, and this is header. Okay, so what if I want to make it something like this? Good. And this is the body. If I want to make it something in this, it's not looking well. Okay, and for the body, let's make it let's get it some dark color. Oops, you can always undo and redo with these two buttons. Okay, I am making a little mistake. Okay, so the body background is this, and for radio button and checkboxes, let us move to the next page and see if there is any other color. What if I make it in Nopes. It's not looking well. So I forget that I'm demonstrating only, so we can use any color. So our data swatch A is ready, and if we want to use the data swatch B, or if we want to put colors on data swatch B, let's see. Let us get it a dark background. Okay, for body, okay, so data swatch B is ready. Okay, so I am gonna delete the data source. Excuse me, sorry. So the data source C, I am going to delete the data swatch C. We are gonna work with only 2 themes. Okay, then to download our packages, let's see what we can do. For that I can click here, download the zip file. You must give the theme a name, like I'm gonna call it Dev, and I'm gonna download zip. One more thing, you have to copy this code from here to here. I will tell you why. later in this video, in the same video. So let's download it. So let's save it. It's saved now. Let's open it. Okay, then so we have to extract them. In desktop there is a folder named JQMVT, our workspace. We are going to delete those two files, or we can create a new folder always, like theme. Oops. Oh my goodness. Just a minute. On desktop, let's create a new folder, JQ theme. Okay, on desktop, on JQ theme we are going to extract it. So it's done. Let's open the folder in our Sublime. So it's open now, and there is a folder named themes, and under that there is a folder named images, and there is a dev.css, and there is a dev.min.css, and jquery mobile.icon.min.css. so let's see. And there's also a index.html file. Let's see what's in it. It's nothing but a simple demonstration. Okay, so what happen if I'm going to change the data theme from A to B and save it and reload my page? As you can see, it's working. So I am going to delete all. Oops. Let's make a new page in it and save it with the name of theme.html, and kickstart our project from scratch. Themes in jQuery Mobile. And if you can remember that I told you guys that I have to copy this code from here to here. And why it is so? Because let me tell you, there is a little difference in jQuery Mobile JS. Actually, as I told you before, that there are only two swatch, A and B. So in our data theme, I mean in our jQuery Mobile theme roller, we also have two data themes, A and B. So it will not work because there are A and B already. So how our A and B gonna work? For that you have to link this CSS instead of this CSS. Okay, so this is the jQuery Mobile 1.4.5.min.css, which is the core CSS for jQuery Mobile, but this is for the ThemeRoller. If you are using ThemeRoller generated theme files, then you must use this. Okay, so to test our project, let's make simple headers, footers and contents. So our header and footer are ready. Let's put some content in it. And under content, let's put the same demo text. Okay, and one more thing, let's fix our footer. So as you can see, that data theme is equal to a. Let's open it in browser. Oops, there is some problem. Let us check. Okay, I made a terrible mistake. Like, as you can see that for CSS I have to attach my CSS, not this. So first we have to let's see, under theme, and there is dev.min.css. so the hyperreference for my CSS is gonna be themes slash dev.min.css. actually, if there is a min in any GS or CSS file, that's mean it's a minified version or compressed version of that. It's not for the development purpose. As you can see, there are both the if I want to use it for development purpose, or if I want to just use it directly. So we were here on themes. So dev.min.css is there, and the another icon .min.css should be there. Okay, so I think it should work now. Okay, so as you can see that this is working fine now. And what if I change my data theme from A to B? As you can see, it's working nice. And if there is, as you can remember that we don't have any data source C, so what's happen if I going to use data source C or data theme is equal to C? So as you can see, it doesn't load the CSS because it was unable to find the data theme C in the attached CSS. So I am going to make it A, and we'll load it. So it's done now. So this is how you can use the jQuery mobile ThemeRoller to generate your own custom themes and all. Okay, so in next video we will learn more about the jQuery widgets, jQuery mobile widgets and all. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please comment it below. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.